a lot more active than a lot of other fishing we've been in.
Oh yeah, it's very active fishing over at Coast Guard Pier, especially if you're going for the dinky ones.
Not for the small ones.
Yeah, there's always a whole bunch of small ones. This is a great place to just catch a fish.
The last time I went fishing actually was ice fishing.
Oh,
That's
nice.
definitely a super long wait. I think after 4 hours I caught one fish.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, look at that.
We got a little dinky rockfish. So this one's either a black or a blue. They look very similar. I'm thinking this one's a blue though. 6-inch rockfish, very dinky. Still got a whole life ahead of him, so we'll go ahead and let him go. First fish of the day, not bad. At least we caught something, right?
Yeah, that's pretty fast actually.
Back you go, dinky rockfish boy.
Oh, there he went.
All right, Nelson, it's your turn. Catch a little dinky rockfish.
Let's see, I hope. I mean, we started off well. Keep my eyes on it. So is it usually gonna stay in the one spot?
It'll probably shift around a little bit just because we have wave action. Oh, looks like we're getting some activity.
Maybe we got scuba divers nibbling on it. I don't know. How much bobbing should I see until I pull it?
So they're gonna be very small here. You basically let it bob until you don't see the sinker for like a second. Oh, that was close.
Oh, darn. Come on, guys. I know you're hungry. Wow, they get it so hard and then they just leave it. Come on.
Yeah, they do that. You're basically waiting for the right sized one to come.
Oh, so it's like I'm dating the fish a little bit.
Yeah, you're getting to know the fish a bit.
That's fine. I'm okay with that. Do you think there's even any bait left on there?
Go ahead and reel it up. Let's check. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh, that was close.
Oh, shoot.
Come on, fishy, take the bait.
I want to get one and maybe name him. I don't know. It's very peaceful.
Yeah, nibbles. And we have some live music. I think I see the little fish nibbling on it too.
I think I might be able to see it. That's a lesson, kids. Wear polarized glasses.
Polarized sunglasses, very good when you're fishing. It helps you see in the water a little bit better.
There's one lady that wanted to do it so badly she wouldn't give up. It took her 100 days.
Oh man.
That's a long time. I don't know about being out in the ocean for 100 days.
That's a little too much, especially not on a boat.
Oh God. No showers.
Just dive into the ocean.
That's right. That's right. Probably have to make yourself a little Wilson.
Wilson. Nelson.
Oh yeah.
You see the nibbles? Just watch the rod tip.
Yeah, very slight nibbles, but yeah.
Oh, some of it's me shaking.
There's Steven nibbles. I gotta send out the positive vibes. Oh.
Go, go, go. Oh, so close. Do you feel any wibbles?
No wibbles yet. Maybe a little bit of jiggles. Something's, I think they're little guys. Oh,
Oh, that was close. All right, let's reel it up and we'll check the bait. Are you stuck?
yeah. What do you suggest differently with how I toss this?
Well, now you have a bigger weight. Throw it so you'll know what it feels like. Okay, reel in a bit just because you're in like some kelp. Now close it back up and retighten it up.
So how's that throw?
That was good. I always try to cast as close as I can to the edge of the kelp anyways.
So with this kind of fishing, do you want to keep it as still as possible? Or is a little bit of movement all right for these guys?
Usually I like to let it chill. It's very apparent when they get hooked.
Actually, I know from like fly fishing out on the river that sometimes just kind of, you know,
Yeah.
right into their mouth.
These ones are a little bit more shy.
I know you want to eat it.
Wait, you caught one!
You actually got one!
What is that? A rockfish for ants?
What the heck?
All right, Nelson, it's your PB of the day.
Oh man, that's my record. I think he's the best one.
That's gotta be like 5 pounds.
Oh dude, he's 100. I think he actually might be a little big guy. It's funny because when I was pulling it up, I could have sworn that I felt like a little like bump into the line. I think it was hooking him. I think that's what I had.
Thanks for playing, Dinky Rockfish.
Oh, there he goes.
Can't believe a crow took my shrimp.
Oh my god, how many pieces were left in it?
Well, he only took one.
He took a whole one though.
Yeah, he took a whole one.
I mean, hey, the crow got the shrimp. I feel like that may be a good omen that we're gonna get a big one. So I know when you're sitting in like in an eddy in the river, I know you don't want to have the fly vibrate a lot because it freaks them out, right? But you just want the good shakes that makes them think it's good in like an insect in the water. For this, does movement help you in that kind of way? Or what kind of movement's good for this?
It depends on the type of fish you're going for. Since we're fishing mainly with bait, kind of just want to let it chill. The fish will come as they get the scent of it. They'll check it out. They might be a little cautious like you've been seeing. They'll nibble a little bit and then they'll go for it once they feel comfortable. Normally you always want to set the hook once you feel like it's there, but I honestly think since they're so cautious cautious. You just wait until it's about a good time to reel in and it sets the hook themselves.
Okay, that makes sense.
If you're playing with lures, definitely the presentation matters. But since we're going with bait, we're putting out a scent, they find it for us.
Alright, that's a good point. Is he gonna swim right through my line?
Nah, that might have spooked some fish though. Go, 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 go! What you got? Oh, that's a nice one. Nice!
Oh,
let's freaking go!
Look at that guy. Woo! That's a big guy, man.
That's a nice kelp rockfish.
I'll call you Steven. How big do you think?
If I was to guess, I'd say he's probably around 10 or 12. And we'll go ahead and measure him. Yep, looks like he's about 12 and a half.
Wow, that's a big guy.
12 and a half incher. Nice one, Nelson.
Nice. Well, thank you, Steven.
Yeah, of course, no problem.
He was a heavy guy. I was pulling back some wool. His eyes are huge. Look at him.
Very cool.
Amazing. That is a cool fish, man.
This guy is so tired of us.
I know. He's like, come on, man. He's trying to pose for you.
You look magnificent, good sir.
Oh, he's giving you a little side eye.
Yep, this is fishing, Nelson. It's just waiting.
It's good. I feel pretty satiated after I got the 12 and a half inch.
That was a nice rockfish. That was a solid catch.
Yeah, I'm excited to eat him. It's gonna be good. I don't know if I've ever had rockfish.
Very good eating fish.
Yeah.
You could do a lot with it. You can make fish tacos with it too, and it'd be bomb.
Oh man, see, this guy's gonna scare off our fish though.
But that's okay. Look how adorable he is.
Oh.
Yeah, let's recast somewhere else. I think he spookied everything away with that. I think I'm getting some nibbles. Unless that was the kelp. I did feel something.
May have been a kelp nibble. Very relaxing.
Super relaxing. That's what fishing's all about. You just chill.
I always wonder what's the big difference between the seals and the sea lions. I know there's, one's a seal and one's a sea lion, but what are their main biological differences?
If you see ears, it's most likely a sea lion. All right, so looks like there's no more big fish. It's been an hour since Nelson caught that beefy boy. So we're gonna swap back to some smaller hooks, try to get him on some more fishy boys. Get a little practice in. You having a good time though, Nelson?
Oh, I'm having a great time. I don't know what's going on with it. They like this smaller hook.
There's definitely a lot of small fish here. If you want to go for like the big ones, I'd say run a size 6 at least. You might be in trouble if you catch like a really, really big one though. But I've caught some pretty big fish with size 6, so I know it can handle it. With that, I'd say you could probably catch like a 10-incher rockfish.
Really?
It might be a little risky, but I'd say a little comfortable doing a 10-inch rockfish. Come on, dinky rockfish. Size 12 hook, fresh shrimp.
Do I pull that? What do I do?
Hold on.
He's got it.
Okay, go. Ooh,
what is that guy?
This is a striped surf perch.
Yeah?
Look at the colors on him.
That is sweet. He's a beautiful fish. Oh, he's gorgeous. Oh, there's actually blues or some a little bit of black and orange in there.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful fish.
Super beautiful fish. This guy is super tiny though. This is like 5 inches. Look, you even got him on the lip. Perfect right there.
That's a great catch.
Look at how pretty he is. Super bright and orange. And of course you always get those little blue stripes, which is why they're called striped surf perch. That's a good catch though, Nelson.
I love it.
Back you go, tiny surf perch.
Nice.
Ooh, that's a good nibble.
Ooh, that actually is a good one.
Ooh.
Come on. So is he just going at it and then swims away and comes back?
Yeah.
Come on, come on.
Go for it, go for it. Oh. Did he take the bait? He took the bait.
Oh, a little sucker.
What a sneaky boy.
That's sneaky.
That was a good bite though.
I know. Nibbling it right away. Since I must have been hungry.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Feel like it's already got tension on it.
Those are really good nibbles. He really wants it.
Oh, dude, come on.
Go, 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 go. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Now you're stuck on the rock. Open the bail.
Okay.
Let some line go. Close the bail back up. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna wait like a minute. When rockfish bite, if they're close enough to a hole, sometimes they'll swim into it and then they'll flare up and then they kind of just lock themselves in there.
Oh.
You just gotta let them stay a little bit more comfortable. They will eventually swim out.
Do you think he's hooked on it?
I think he's hooked on it. All right, I'll try to reel it back up. Ah, nope, he ran away.
That's a rock. How do you know if the shakes aren't just from the weight bouncing around on the bottom?
Usually the weight's strong enough to not bounce, unless you can tell the waves are very, very, very strong. Most of the time, it's not enough to bounce around.
No?
Once it sits down there, it usually stays
Just
put.
kind of chills.
You do have a 1 ounce, so it's gonna be a little bit more hit or miss, but in general, it'll just stay down there. Alright, you're good, you're good.
Nice.
Another dinky rockfish.
Hey, look at that guy.
Another PB for Nelson.
Yeah.
Alright, back you go, tiny rockfish. That's weird, they're so lethargic today. Usually they swim off like right away. And we barely had him out of the water. We unhooked him right away.
We barely had his mouth.
Oh no, Mr. Beach Chicken!
Hey, somebody got to eat.
Darn beach chickens. Wait, hold on, now I just gotta remember what I want to say. What's up, anglers and anglets? It's your boy Sven and welcome back to my channel. I'm out here with my boy Nelson.
Hey.
And we're doing some fishing in good old Coast Guard Pier. So I know a lot of you guys have been wondering where the heck I've been, especially since the last time I was gone. I did want to do a quick update right now. I was blessed with an opportunity to be up in Monterey County. So I'm gonna do a lot more fishing in Monterey. I will try to fish as much as I can. Videos will come out as I have time, but I just want to let you guys know that I'm up in Monterey County now. So this video is probably going to come out first. I do have a bunch of videos from SoCal that are backlogged. I might sprinkle them in between, or I might just straight shot all the Monterey videos. I haven't decided yet, but yeah, lots more Monterey videos, lots of cool places. I'm going to see if I can drive out to fish one of these days. I've heard fishing in Big Sur is pretty good. That's definitely going to be on my list of places to fish. I hope you guys will see a whole bunch of other cool content. It's a beautiful day, nice and cloudy, a little breezy, but it's not that bad.
It's a good day.
This is also Nelson's first time fishing the saltwater. How are you liking it so far?
Oh, I love it. Sun's out, fish out.
Except the sun's not out right now.
Oh, the sun was out. That's great. I love it.
A lot different from freshwater, huh?
Oh, a lot different, but I kind of like it a little bit more actually.
I think you caught one. Another dinky rockfish for Nelson.
By far the smallest. Oh, little guy.
Oh, he swam off fine.
Yeah, he's good. This time, this one didn't get eaten by the bird.
Poor little rockfish. Happy little beach chicken though.
Oh man, yeah, no, he's happy. Hey, the sun is out. Kind of.
But enough duping around. Let's gear up and get back to fishing. So Nelson is actually going to be the star of this episode. This is his first time out and I just wanted to show him the ropes. He's going to be doing most of the fishing, but so far he's got a pretty good handle on it. And he's also fishing at Coast Guard Pier, which I always say is Snag Central. Ooh. Got a nibble already?
Just little ones though.
I mean, that's what we're going for, the little ones.
Yeah.
Once he gets a little bit more comfortable, we'll probably hit the other cool spots around Monterey.
I'll probably need to get a license.
Yeah, you're gonna need a fishing license. Coast Guard Pier is considered a California public pier, even though it looks a little bit more like a jetty in my opinion. You don't need a fishing license here. You still have to follow any of the fish size limits, but you don't need a license. This is a great way to kind of get out, do a little fishing, see if you like it.
It's a good spot.
Oh, whoa, I think you got it.
Nice, look at that guy.
Another dinky rockfish.
Hey, he's a little bigger than the last guy though.
Nice one, Nelson.
Thank you.
What fish is that for you?
Maybe 6? Yeah, I think it's the 6th one. Hey, if I start forgetting, then that's a good sign.
So Nelson, what type of fishing have you done before?
My experience of fishing was mainly rivers, lakes, but mainly rivers. Did fly fishing, salmon. So mostly done freshwater fishing, but mostly as a kid. So the last 5-8 years really haven't gone fishing that much.
Really?
Never done it out in the ocean. It's my first time.
This is definitely a good place and you've been doing well so far. For a snag city area, you've only snagged once as far as I could tell.
I feel pretty proud about it. I feel like I've deserved some snacks and some drinks, so.
We'll get some wings later, kick it back, probably leave in a little bit. We're having just a good time right now.
Yeah, found a good deep spot and we're actually getting lots of good nibbles. Yep.
Oh yeah, that's some nice nibbles. Yep. This is the spot. Get those dinky boys, Nelson. Oh yeah, there we go, there we go. What?
Oh no.
You got bamboozled.
Oh, he bamboozled me, man.
That was weird.
That was weird, right? Is he just on it?
I don't know.
I think he's on the hook.
Yeah, go, go, go. Now he's for sure on.
Yeah. There
ooh, even a little bit bigger rockfish.
Yeah, hey, we're moving up in size. Yeah, that's a solid bigger guy.
That's like 6 or 7 inches. It's a pretty good one, yeah.
Hey, that's a good catch.
The next PB for Nelson.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get this guy off before he destroys all of our bait. Dude, stop spinning around.
Another one for Nelson. He was just recasting. This guy went straight for it.
And look at that. He was really hungry.
Super hungry.
He's just a little guy.
You can always count on Dinky Rockfish to be at Coast Guard Pier. All right, let's get you back as well.
Just as I was pulling it up, he gets right on it.
Sometimes that happens.
Oh, that's not good. I gotta recast that.
Sometimes that happens too.
Yeah. I mean, it caught me a fish last time. Gotta pull that out a little bit.
There you go.
Oh, yeah, somebody's biting on it. Just gonna give him a second here. See what he does. He actually may be on the hook. Let's see what's going on here. No, what is that?
Looks like a piece of... That's a little piece of algae, I think.
Yeah, I think you're right.
First algae of the day.
Nice. It's PB. There you go.
You're not gonna eat that?
Nah, no, I should have. You're right. I thought it was better to put back into the circle of life.
Perfect. You're getting the hang of it.
Yeah, it's starting to feel like a little bit more natural, actually.
Looks like you're getting some nibbles already too.
Yep.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's a really good one.
I think you're good.
Oh, you're kidding.
The bamboozle.
Again, no, but I mean the bait looks fine on there, doesn't it?
Yeah, bait's still good.
Darn, they were going crazy for it. They're starting to eat that bait up too.
They do got pretty tiny mouths, so I don't blame them.
Yeah.
These mouths are made for nibbling.
They're just trying to eat what they can, man. Do you think it's possible to even catch a big one with this?
You could definitely catch a big one with the size 12. It might just be a little iffy, but if they go for it, you take your time. That was a good one though. You think he's on there?
He might be, because I feel like it's changed depths.
Is he on? Yep, he's on.
There we go. Look at that guy.
Another Dinky Rockfish.
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
How big do you think that is?
Also another 4-incher.
All right, little guy. I'm gonna do my best to unhook you the nicest I can. It's in there weird, Steven. Oh, yeah, that helped. There we go.
Back you go, Dinky boy. All right, Nelson's caught enough fish. He's got the experience. How you feel?
Oh, I love it. I'm definitely coming back out.
Would you pick up your license? We can go to other cool places.
Oh, I'm definitely going to.
Would you say you're hooked on fishing?
Oh, I think I'm more than hooked. I'm pulled in.
We're gonna go call it a day. That was enough beginner lesson for Nelson. He's got the hang of it. He knows what he's doing.
Master teacher.
I tried my best.
It was the best.
But yeah, we're getting a little hungry. We're gonna go get some food, maybe kick it back a little bit. Thanks for watching, guys. It was a little interesting, me not fishing myself, besides that one fish I caught earlier, but it was a nice, pleasant day, just chilling with my boy Nelson. And we'll be back at it before you know it. All right, later.
Bye.